Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to translate a PDF using the Grab Text function in Canva. This is a great way to make your PDF accessible to people who speak different languages. Canva now allows users to convert documents into images. I will show you how to do this step by step. Click the Upload Files button and proceed to upload the PDF document to Canva. Click the menu bar and select the PDF you just uploaded under Recent. Canva will create a new page for you, where you can begin the text grab and translation steps. Once the image is uploaded, click the Grab Text button. This is located in the Magic Studio tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Now that we have successfully grabbed the text from the PDF, we can proceed with the translation. Click the Translate button on the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the Translate to section and choose the language you want to translate the text to. To translate the whole page, click on the Translate button again. To translate only a few sections of the sentence, select the text you want to translate and then click on the Translate button. For today, I choose to translate the whole page. Canva will now translate the text and add it to your design as a new page. You can then edit the translated text to your liking. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of the text. You can also move the text around on your design. Once you are finished editing the translated text, you can save your design by clicking the Save button at the top of the screen. You can then download your translated PDF or share it with others. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials and tips on how to use Canva. And don't forget to leave a like and comment below.